I'm glad we have time to talk today.
I feel the same because a calm conversation always makes the day better.
I wonder what made your morning feel good today.
A warm cup of tea and a quiet moment on the balcony help me start well.
I'm thinking about taking a short walk later.
A walk sounds peaceful, especially if the weather stays gentle.
I like slow mornings because they help me stay relaxed.
Slow mornings create a nice rhythm that lasts for the whole day.
I tried a new routine today and it felt refreshing.
A new routine often brings fresh energy and a clear mind.
I'm planning to read a simple book this afternoon.
A simple book can be comforting, especially when you want a light mood.
I enjoy reading stories with friendly characters.
Friendly characters always make the story feel warm and inviting.
I'm thinking about improving my English through daily conversations.
Daily conversations build confidence and help words come naturally.
I feel more confident when I practice small sentences often.
Small sentences create strong steps that lead to fluent speaking.
I like talking about everyday topics because they feel easy to understand.
Everyday topics keep practice simple and comfortable.
I'm planning to learn a few new words today.
A few new words each day can make a big difference over time.
I sometimes repeat phrases to remember them better.
Repetition strengthens memory and turns phrases into habits.
I find it helpful to speak slowly when learning something new.
A slow pace gives your mind time to shape the right sentence.
I'm trying to improve my pronunciation these days.
Clear pronunciation comes naturally when you practice aloud often.
I enjoy speaking with someone who understands my learning style.
A person who understands your pace makes learning enjoyable.
I like asking questions that make conversations flow.
Good questions always guide the conversation gently.
I'm thinking about joining a small speaking group.
A small group can offer friendly support and regular practice.
I feel excited whenever I learn a useful expression.
Useful expressions give you confidence in real situations.
I like practicing simple greetings because they start every conversation.
A smooth greeting sets a friendly tone right away.
I enjoy talking about daily plans because they are easy to describe.
Daily plans help you use basic structures naturally.
I think talking about food is always fun.
Food brings nice memories and creates lively conversations.
I like describing my breakfast because it reminds me of home.
Breakfast stories always sound cozy and comforting.
I enjoy discussing weekend plans with friends.
Weekend plans create a relaxed mood and open many topics.
I'm thinking about learning new phrases for travel.
Travel phrases are helpful and give you confidence in new places.
I like imagining different countries while practicing English.
Imagining new places makes learning feel exciting.
I feel calm when I talk about simple daily activities.
Simple activities build strong basic vocabulary.
I'm planning to practice asking for directions later.
Direction phrases help you express yourself clearly in public places.
I like describing the weather because the words are easy.
Weather conversations create natural small talk.
I'm thinking about sharing my daily routine with my group.
A routine offers many easy sentences for practice.
I enjoy talking about my hobbies in simple English.
Hobbies make conversations interesting and personal.
I'm learning to describe my feelings in a clearer way.
Clear feelings make conversations deeper and more meaningful.
I like using polite expressions while speaking.
Polite expressions make interactions smooth and friendly.
I feel good when I can express gratitude in simple sentences.
Gratitude adds warmth to every conversation.
I'm planning to practice short dialogues today.
Short dialogues build quick confidence.
I like listening to slow English audio clips.
Slow audio helps you catch every sound.
I'm thinking about repeating the audio to improve fluency.
Repeating audio shapes your speaking rhythm.
I enjoy learning simple questions for everyday situations.
Simple questions keep conversations active.
I want to practice describing objects around me.
Describing objects strengthens vocabulary naturally.
I like explaining where things are in a room.
Explaining positions helps you use prepositions clearly.
I enjoy talking about colors in simple sentences.
Colors make descriptions fun and easy.
I'm thinking about practicing short stories next week.
Short stories build imagination and language skills together.
I like talking about memories from school.
School memories give you plenty of easy sentences.
I enjoy conversations about family traditions.
Family traditions connect culture and language.
I'm planning to practice simple dialogues at night.
Night practice feels calm and focused.
I like sharing my goals in easy English.
Goals sound inspiring when expressed simply.
I enjoy learning phrases people use every day.
Daily phrases help you sound natural.
I'm thinking about making a list of useful words.
A list keeps learning organized and clear.
I like practicing short phone conversations.
Phone conversations sharpen listening skills.
I feel happy when I understand new words quickly.
Quick understanding motivates you to keep learning.
I'm planning to watch a short English video later.
Short videos offer natural examples of speaking.
I enjoy copying the speaker's tone in simple sentences.
Copying tone builds confidence and fluency.
I'm thinking about practicing greetings from different countries.
International greetings make learning fun.
I like describing places I visit during the week.
Describing places builds strong vocabulary.
I enjoy talking about simple travel experiences.
Simple travel stories encourage natural speaking.
I feel relaxed when I share my daily thoughts.
Daily thoughts improve comfort with the language.
I'm planning to write a short diary in English.
A diary builds writing fluency and confidence.
I'm thinking about sharing my diary sentences with friends.
Sharing sentences invites helpful feedback.
I enjoy talking about dreams and plans.
Dreams bring positive energy into conversations.
I like practicing phrases used in polite conversations.
Polite phrases make communication smooth.
I feel inspired when I learn something new in English.
New knowledge keeps motivation high.
I'm planning to describe my morning routine tomorrow.
A morning routine offers many simple actions to practice.
I enjoy learning phrases for shopping.
Shopping phrases are useful in everyday life.
I'm thinking about practicing simple restaurant dialogues.
Restaurant dialogues help you talk about food and preferences.
I like describing the taste of different dishes.
Taste descriptions add color to your language.
I enjoy talking about music in simple sentences.
Music creates a lively and warm atmosphere.